The most important nutrient that our body requires is water. I think I've said this a few times, but we are mostly made up of water, about 60% of us, our bodies. Water helps produce lymph, which carries white blood cells and other immune system cells throughout the body. There are many foods with high water content which you might not think about, such as cucumbers, broccoli, watermelon, and celery. If you have a hard time drinking plain water, try a cup of green tea infused with any or a combination of herbs or fruit. Some of my favorites are lemon, watermelon, cucumber. I also absolutely love the combination of apple and cinnamon in my water, and mint infused water are great options to help give your body the fluid it needs and also help with your immune system. Are you getting enough? If you look at this chart here, the best way to tell if you're getting enough hydration, honestly, is to look at the color of your urine. If you are on a very pale yellow side, then you're well hydrated. When we start seeing the yellow around 4 to 6 here on my chart, that means you might be dehydrated. When we start seeing urine that's even a darker, deeper color, almost turning brown, that's severe dehydration. You want to aim for half of your body weight in pounds in fluid ounces per day. What I mean by that is, so let's say someone is 150 pounds, so that means that they would require about 75 ounces of water per day. Again, it's very, very personalized though, so I encourage you to pay attention to the color of your urine. When we talk about 75 ounces per day, just to put that in perspective, there is 8 ounces in 1 cup of fluid. You can see here on my other image on this slide what hydration does for the body. Helps moisten tissues in the eyes and nose, protects our organs, helps relieve constipation, helps dissolve minerals and nutrients for the body to use, assists the body in regulation of our temperature. It also provides lubrication for our joints, supports kidney and liver health by flushing away toxins. It's the only cleanse you need to do is getting adequate fluid. And finally, water helps carry oxygen and nutrients to each of our cells. Dehydration can show up in many different forms. Sometimes we mistake hunger for thirst. Checking in frequently on your fluid intake is important. Consider creating habits around fluid consumption, such as carrying beverages with you at all times, drinking non-calorie beverages before a meal, or drinking non-calorie beverages when at stop signs or red lights. Or think of times when you might have opportunities to consume fluids. All fluids count: coffee, tea, water. Can you drink too much fluid? This is an important lesson. Everything in moderation is key. Even excess fluid can be toxic to our bodies, even excess water. The best way to track your hydration status, as I mentioned, is checking the color of your urine. When you consume too much fluids, you can dilute your blood and cause issues such as hyponatremia, which is when your blood sodium is diluted to dangerous levels. There are some signs and symptoms of overhydration listed here. When you're talking about the color of the urine, though, we would see it as a clear yellow or a clear color and actually no color to your urine whatsoever. That might be an indication you're getting too much.